So I was editing this video and was not happy with the video quality that the camera that I put in there in the shop. So I apologize in advance, guys, and I will be setting up a new camera, and I'm going to do it from behind the counter facing towards the customers, so that way it actually sees the customers and sees our interaction. Because right now with this camera, the angle was horrible, and the quality was bad too. So yeah, just take that with a grain of salt and let the video roll on. All right, so I just had technically my first customer, even though we're not officially open. Still doing some stuff on like Marketplace, and I sold that i9 system that had the 3060 Ti in it, and they were like, "Are you available?" I'm like, "Yeah, come on in." Gave them the address, super simple, really nice, just kind of chilled and waited for him to get here. Had some other things going on, but we ended up settling on a trade deal. So they brought in these systems, and it was 300 cash. So we got a, let me flip it around, i7 7700, a GTX 1070, a GTX 1060. I believe that's an i5 6400. It looks like some kind of M.2 drive right there. Cheapo 300 watt power supply, a beat up, really beat up case, so might be recasing this system. He said there is 16 gigs of RAM in there, so that's kind of cool. And then there's an Alienware. I really like this generation of Alienware stuff. This originally had that 7700 in it. He said he pulled the 7700 out because he wanted to put it in that system, but it's a different generation, so it wouldn't work. So I think I'm going to end up putting that 7700 back in here. There is a water cooler in here, and there's also a 1 terabyte SS M.2 down there. So, and I believe that 1070 came out of there too. So pretty much just going to put that Alienware back to new, clean it up, recase this system, and then these will be going up, and going to make somebody a deal on these. So look out for those coming up soon. And I'm going to include the footage at the end of this video. I did mount that little camera up there. That's not going to work for long term because I do not like the quality, and I want to show you guys our interactions between customers and people and stuff like that. So yeah, gonna need to, I think maybe a camera back here, like pointing at this angle, because like that one's just staring at the back of their heads, and it kind of cuts me off. It's just not a good angle. Great angle to, you know, just watch for security because it can see the storage area and this area, but not for like YouTube and that kind of thing. So yeah, so basically gave him $200 trade on this, and then 300 cash because I was looking for around 500 bucks. I listed it a little higher than that just so people can talk me down, but I'm happy, he's happy, win-win. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna close up shop and head to the house.
All this stuff in the car. Okay, yeah, we can go grab it. Yeah, you want, I can help you carry it in. You mind if I take a look at these real quick? Yeah. Okay. Which one were you playing on? This one. Yeah, that'd be that. There it is, right there. If you want to mess around, it's hooked up to Wi-Fi. It's got a built-in Wi-Fi on the motherboard. You end up needing that. Yeah. Yeah, ridiculous. That's my my screen I take when I go to do like service calls. What graphics card is this right here? Which one? The top? In the front with 3 things. I think that's I think it's a 3070. I can take a look if you want to look at it. No, I don't think I can afford it. I got you. Well, you need to ask how much they want. Yeah. If you know, you know, right? I mean, I could trade you some shoes. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. I'm just trying to say like electronic stuff. Shoot, I think they're not okay either. Yeah, even older stuff. I can take trade-ins on pretty much everything. This is the 960 right here.
I have a
That's it. That's a 1070.
This is the 1070. Okay.
Yeah. What?
50 Ti.
You got a 1050 Ti? That GPU. What are you gonna be putting the 30? Are you putting it in an older system, the 3070?
Oh, I already have a 3060 Ti.
Oh, you have a 3060. You're just looking to upgrade.
I mean, I was gonna get a 4080, but like, I don't know.
Which 3060 Ti do you have? I could take that in on trade against the 3070. I don't think I have any 3080s anymore.
I'll have to run out integrated graphics. So.
Well, I mean, you'd be swapping out though, you know.
Like you would trade?
Yeah, but you just have to add a little cash on top, depending on which card it is.
Which one is this right here?
That's a 3060 Ti. That's just a Founders Edition. That silver one and with the two Panzers.
Oh, this is the 37.
I believe that's a 3070. Yeah.
That looks like the one I was gonna get from that one car.
Yeah.
Because tough for this. When I told you I was gonna
Do you have
get
like
that
a
one car.
3080?
No, I don't have any 3080s right now. Yeah, it's a 3070 8 gig.
Is that an upgrade?
From 3060 Ti, it's a small upgrade. Not a big jump, honestly. They're pretty close, like gaming performance wise.
Yeah, this is like the highest amount of like. That's the biggest tower you can get.
So this one is the 1060. Okay, 1060, 1070. Okay, and then oh, so you were gaming on the lower end stuff. Just were you planning on swapping around and never got to it, or?
You know, something happened with my old computer, so like I just had to get used to. Well, I got one, but then some dude hooked me up with a deal for another one. So I just did. He traded a pair of shoes. So I just took it, and then I had to. I mean, I didn't really use it. I didn't have it.
Yeah, what y'all playing? You gonna be playing the new Call of Duty? About to drop.
I mean, you play Call of Duty? I'm iridescent and ring.
I like Black Ops, so I'm a big zombies guy. But since this is like the first Modern Warfare with zombies, I gotta get it. You know, 'cause like my brother, my cousins, they all play. I'm not a huge Modern Warfare guy.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think it's it. I cheat.
Well, everybody on Warzone cheats nowadays, so my brother's been banned like multiple times.
I mean, I just got banned in the ban league, so I can't play with yours.
Oh, you can't?
I'm just gonna buy a hardware ID for it and get my stuff. Like,
Yeah, I was gonna say they're doing hardware bans now. How do we open up this? Oh, it's got that switch right there.
This one is limited.
Yeah, the old Easy guy. There it is. Everything's screwed in. And so is that the CPU that was in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
The CPU.
Yeah. That's a pretty cool setup. I was wondering if it's not a solid state there, but it's just hard drive. Is it on solid state or not?
Is that like?
For the oh yeah. That's
Yeah,
it's got an M.2.
Pretty sure this one's like the order number says 900.
900.
Yeah. The other one's like 300.
Well, awesome. Yeah, these two, and then the 300 cash, and you'll be ready to go on that one. And I'll take down your email because I'm just getting everything set up. I'm technically not even officially open yet, but I'll email you your receipt because I used to do everything out of Youngsville, but moved up here to try to make it more legit. And but yeah, if you have any problems, like full in-house 1-year warranty, just bring it back. Short of like don't spill nothing on it. I had one lady spill some stuff. She set her coffee on it, spilled it on the computer, and then she wanted to bring it back to me. I'm like, I can't fix that.
I only got 2 agents. I'm gonna see if I can get another one.
Okay.
You think your mom will help? Send $25.
it was a little in the budget. We didn't have enough to pay right now.
Tristan, why are you lying?
Oh, seriously, dude.
Do you take like anything on the phone?
I have Venmo and I have Cash App.